Okay, here is step in problem solving of DE. This is only a guideline for you to tackle the application of DE. Okay, so first thing, when you read the questions, define the variable. Example, something x, add something of t, time, involve time. Okay, and second is write the proportional equation in terms of k. Okay, the third is integrate x with respect to t. Okay, normally that one is involve t. Name this one as equation 1. The next step, okay, we need to find c at beginning, t always 0. Okay, this is first info. First info is to find c. Then if given time, for the second info, you need to find k. Okay, and the last is solve the rest of the question. Okay, so sometimes we follow all the steps, sometimes we can skip the steps. Okay, let's look at the example. Example 1. The rate means that involve t time, and then decay for a radioactive. Talking about radioactive substance, refer to X. Okay, refer to X. So this is actually our variable X. X is proportional to the remaining concentration. Means that the rate of decay of radioactive dx dt is proportional to the remaining concentration. Dx dt is proportional to the remaining concentration. Okay, means that the decay means that negative. So which is given by the E. This is how to interpret the sentence to mathematical sentence. Dx dt proportional to the remaining concentration. So means that let x of t was concentration. Okay, concentration of radioactive at time t. Okay, at time t. Okay, and if you change this term to the equation, the term like this, it can be dx over dt equals negative. Negative to show that the rate of decay. Decay should negative. K is constant. X is variable. Okay. Then the next info. Okay, the next info. Okay. If 1/3, 1/3 of the substance still remains within 12 years, T 12 years, how many percent of the substance is still available after 3 years? After 3 years, okay, how many substance? Okay, so now, okay, actually, say that you have time T, and then you represent X as a substance. Okay, so when T equals 12, okay, substance still remains is 1/3, 1/3. Say that the beginning, the substance is X naught. Okay, X naught. Then, okay, means that the beginning is X naught. X naught. The beginning is S naught. Okay, and then after 3 years, so how many percent of the substance? Okay, then say that at beginning, okay, so we assume at beginning is when t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. When t is equal to 0, x equals x naught. When t equals 12, x equals 1 over 3 x naught. And when t equals 3, we're going to find x. Okay, that is our aim. Okay. Let xt is equal to concentration of radioactive at time t. Okay, and then given that the equation is dx over dt is equal to negative kx. Okay, normally when you use the same variable here x, okay, there is also the same variable here x. Okay, to write x in terms of t, you need to get rid of dx dt. To get rid of dx dt, you need to integrate both sides. Before integrate both sides, you need to separate the two variables, x and t. Okay, separate the two variables. Separate the two variables, xt. Here is negative k, and here bring k, and bring x to the left so that you can get 1 over x. Okay, then to get rid of dx dt, you need to integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. So integrate 1 over x, negative k. Okay. Then actually negative k you can take outside because of that one is constant, but it's okay, just be like this. Okay. Integrate 1 over x in ln x is equal to negative k. Integrate negative k respect to t, get t plus c. Okay, t plus c. So now you have two methods. Either you stick this one like this or write x in terms of t. Okay, before you substitute. Okay, then say that you want to substitute. Substitute the value. At first, when t is equal to 0, x is equal to x naught. Okay, so say that at the first, x naught. Okay, then substitute ln x naught is equal to 0, 0 t 0, 0 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to ln x naught. Okay, then this one substitute c to this equation. Okay, first step, you use the first info. Okay, and then write down ln x equals negative kt plus ln x naught. Okay, settle. Okay, the second step, use the second info. The first step is to find c, done. The first step to find c, done. Okay, the second step, the second info, when t is equal to 12, x is equal to 1 over 3 x naught. That is using the second info. We're going to find k. Substitute ln 1 over 3 x naught is equal to negative k, t equals 12, plus ln x. Okay, simplify. Say that take 12k to left, so that here ln x naught, okay, bring to here is actually negative ln 1 over 3 x naught. Okay, ln x naught minus means that over 1 over 3 x naught. Okay, then simplify ln, cancel x naught, So that ln 3. Ln 3 and then therefore K is equal to ln 3 over 12. Okay, done for K. Okay, next step. Substitute. Substitute K is equal to ln 3 over 12 to this equation. Okay, write down the equation. Ln x minus negative substitute value K T plus ln x naught. Okay, ln x equals negative K T plus ln x naught. Okay, K is equal to ln 3 over 12. You can find in decimal if you want. Okay, but make sure that in big bracket. Okay, T is outside. Okay, sure. The third info is to solve the question. Given, okay, when T is equal to 3, so we need to find x. Okay, then substitute value using this equation. Ln x equals negative ln 3 over 12 times 3 plus ln x. Ln x, bring the term to the left so that minus ln x naught equals negative ln 3 over 4. Okay, then simplify. Ln x over x naught using the law of log is equal to negative 0.27465. Okay, it's okay. And then simplify, change to index, get x over x naught is equal to e to the power negative 0.27465. Okay, that one is equal to 0.7598. Okay, for the 4 decimal places. Okay, we're going to find x, so therefore x is equal to 0.7598 x. Okay, so say that when you read again the question, okay, how many percent of the substance is still available after 3 years? After 3 years, how many percent? Means that after 3 years, okay, the amount of the substance you have to divide with the first amount. The initial amount when T is equal to 0. When T is equal to 0, x equals x naught. When T equals 3, okay, the answer before this, the answer we get the last answer over the first one. So here is 0.7598 x naught over the first one. Okay, so okay, thus after 3 years, the remaining substance is almost approaches 0.7598 x naught over the first amount, the initial amount, times 100 times 100%. Okay, then can be simplified Okay, 76%. So answer is 76%. Done. Another method is, let's say after integrate, get this one right. Ln x equals negative k t plus c. Ln x equals negative kt plus c. Before substitute value, okay, first change log in the index form. Okay, so this is log, natural log. Okay, natural log base e. So now log base e means that x is equal to e to the power of negative kt plus c. Okay, then simplify times e power c. Then next step, okay, let a is equal to e power c because of e constant, c also constant. We can just let one symbol. Okay, a times e power negative kt. Therefore, x is equal to a times e power negative kt. Settle. Then substitute. When t is equal to 0, x is equal to x naught. Okay, substitute into the equation. Okay, x naught equals a e to the power negative k times 0, 0. Therefore, e power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to x naught. Okay, then substitute a equals x naught into this equation. Okay, x is equal to x naught e power negative kt. Settle. For first info is to find a, same like you find c. Okay, the second info, when t is equal to 12, x is equal to 1 over 3 x naught. Substitute. Okay, 1 over 3 x naught. Substitute here x, right? Is equal to x naught e power negative. So 12k. Our aim is to find k. Second info is to find k. First info to find a. Okay, then substitute. Simplify. Cancel means that e to the power negative 12k is equal to 1 over 3. And then I want to get rid of exponent by taking ln to the both side, so that I can get negative 12k is equal to ln 1 over 3. Okay, and then ln 1 over 3 is equal to ln 1 minus ln 3. 1 is equal to 0, so its answer is negative ln 3. Therefore, k is equal to ln 3 over 12. Negative over negative, positive. Okay. Next step. Okay. Then substitute. Okay. Substitute your value, k value, to this equation. Where is the equation? To this one. This equation. X equals x naught. Okay. Right on here. X equals x naught times e to the power negative k ln 3 over 12. Here is t. T. Double check. Okay. Okay, settle. T is equal to 3. We're going to find x. Okay. Substitute. X is equal to x naught times e power negative ln 3/12 in bracket times 3. This one in bracket. Okay, then simplify. Okay, e power negative ln 3/4. Then you can find this value using calculator, and the answer is 0.7598 x. Okay, for x is equal to 0.7598 x naught. Okay, now you can proceed to the. Okay, now you can proceed answer to this one. Okay, this one Okay, so done. Do this one, then done. Okay, settle. Now you have two methods to solve this type of question. Either you want to use this equation or simplify to this form, okay, exponent, then proceed. Either you want to use the equation which has ln or simplify to exponent. Okay, before you substitute info. Okay.